Hi there, me again. Wanted to put together a quick video to show you what the structure of your paragraph should look like inside of your research essay. So you've gotten the organization together and now you're writing the paragraphs. And these are for the paragraphs after the introduction and before the conclusion. So these are how the paragraph for the structure of the body of the research paper should look. Each paragraph should start with its own topic sentence. What I want you to look at here in this topic sentence is there's no source material in it. This is your topic sentence informing your reader of what the paragraph to come will be about. So this one is about the increasing rate of women suffering from PPD, which is postpartum depression, and the students already told me what this stands for in her introduction, and the effects it can have on the entire family and the health problems associated. Now we look, the next sentence will be supporting evidence from her source. And we see here she's using Austin and Lumley, 2003, and then she gives a paraphrase. How do I know this is a paraphrase? There's no quotation marks around it. So she's put the information from the source into her own words. And this information is supporting her topic sentence. Here's the page number, so that's how I know that the information from the source is ending. Now she's going to go on and explain it. And this was the step that you took in the assignment that you just did when you were talking about how the information from the sources in the source review, you had to then analyze and explain that information. So here she goes on to explain that women need the support of their spouse or partner to deal with PPD. She's explaining this paraphrase from this source. She then goes on to say that, however, when the partner is also overcome with depression, it can make an already bad situation worse for the newborn. Okay, I don't have to decipher why she chose to paraphrase this information that is supporting her topic sentence. She's the researcher. She's doing the explanation for me. Notice there's no I think or I feel. She's simply explaining the information from the source. She decided that she wanted some more supporting evidence from another source within the same paragraph. So she cites Clay and Sehusen from 2004, and she's noting that many couples, suffer marital problems due to the onset of PPD. And again, she gives a page number. Now she's ending with her so what. This so what information is why is this information from the source significant? And it has to relate back to the topic sentence. That's why it's also in yellow. That dealing with all these family issues at one time can cause a woman to sink further into her depressive state. And it's making her harder for her and her spouse to combat the PPD, which is part of the significant health problem that's being experienced. So she starts with the topic sentence in her own words, goes to her sources to find evidence to support that, explains the supporting evidence, gives a bit more supporting evidence, and then explains it again with the so what that ends her paragraph. And so if we look at the paragraph as how it would look inside the paper, and I've highlighted it to keep it in matching with what was just given up here, we see this is the header that she has in her paper, her APA header, effects on the family. Topic sentence, support from the source, explanation, more evidence from another source, and then her ending sentence, much like her topic sentence, in her own words that gives the so what. I hope that this helps you understand how your paragraph should be structured in your essay. Topic sentence, source, explanation, source, more explanation, ending with that so what that relates back to the topic sentence.